All right. This is LeetCode 268, missing number. And inside of this problem, you're supposed to find the missing number inside of a sequence of an array that goes from 0 to n, or basically the length of the array. Figure out which number is missing here. So in this case, we're missing 2. So how I'm going to approach this is loop through this array, total everything up. So in this case, this would equal 4 right here. And then what I will do is add 1 to the array, because this array goes from 0 to n, or 0 to whatever number, and it isn't supposed to be missing anything in sequence. So that basically means that it's going to have the same amount of indexes as numbers. So all you need to do is count indexes up to this array length plus 1. So in this case, that would be 6, and then just subtract the 2 and return this answer here. So let's walk through it. Okay, so I just initialized a couple of variables there. And we're going to do a for loop here. So we're going to do I is less than nums.length plus 1, because we're going to count all the way through this input array plus 1 more index item, like that. So to show you what this is doing here, let's just console log I. And if we run this, okay, great, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and because we have the plus 1, 0, 1, 2, well, we added the plus 1, so now we're counting this. So all we need to do now is make this correct total here. Correct total. This equals I. And that's what it's supposed to add up to. So all we need to do now is loop through that, make sure that num_i exists, and if it does, then we're just going to total up the missing count sum plus equals nums_i. So let's console this log out right here. Get rid of this one. So let's run this again. Right, so 3 and 1. So right now, this is 4. Previously, we totaled all the correct total up. We got 6, so all we need to do is just return the correct total minus the missing count sum, and that'll give us the answer. And there we go. All right, if you like this video, you should subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.